Can we run that? How will you do that? Escape. And exactly the same command, but only thing, please look. Only thing is that instead of example.conf, type, oh, what is the name of the agent?
A1.
Is it A1?
A1.
Okay. So instead of example dot, you just write HDFS example.conf and press enter. See the changes. It is going to show you, or it is going to tell you that it is listening on 4. Why? Because we didn't change the source. Source is still remaining, right? So created the server socket. The other window where we typed the command, you are again going to start the telnet, and I am going to type hi, hello, wonderful, fashion, May 14, all right. Now what will happen when you write all these things? It will go to, I am writing it frequently that I am not forgetting. All the data, nothing is coming in the output. Why? There is no logger. We have not used logger. Where is it written? Where? User slash Cloudera slash Flume, correct? So I am going to press Control C. See, something is happening there. What is happening? Can you guess? It is just gathering the data, and when it is reaching a certain size, flushing. And now I am putting Control C and just to wait, and then I am going to do clear Hadoop fs minus ls slash user. What is the directory we used? What is the directory? Tell me,
Cloudera.
you open the file now. Cloudera slash Flume.
Netcat.
What is there inside? You should get what? If everything is okay, you should get a file which is ending with the netcat, this thing, which indicates that it has written that file, and you look at the size is 248. This is how really you will use Flow. So now the data is taken and written into HDFS. So instead of netcat, if you use WebSphere logs or something like that, now the data will come to HDFS. Can we read that particular data? Hadoop fs minus ls, that is the command that we used, but instead of that, what I'm going to do is come here and let us do a cat, right? Hadoop fs minus cat, and let us give this particular file name. Okay, this is the file name, right? Right click, copy, and just put it here because I want to read it. Here, go here and then paste it. Okay, where is it? Yeah, Control C, not Control C. It should be right click, copy, and I'm going to delete this, and then I'm going to right click, paste, right? It will not be. Why? I typed hello, fashion, all those things, right? You can't read it. Why? By default, if you don't specify, Flume will write as sequence file. Sequence file is binary. That is the reason why you are not able to read it. How can we rectify it? So I'm going back again. Where is our window? Is this the window? Yeah. We closed it, right? And I'm going to delete this directory already. Okay. Hadoop fs minus rmr slash user slash Cloudera slash Flume. I'm deleting the directory.
So binary format is only for the Hadoop or only for other processes also?
When you are using Flume to Hadoop, that's all. Normal file doesn't know what is this one, and you won't write it to normal files. It's too much new. You will not use Flume for writing it to normal file. Okay, what is the problem? The problem is this. If you look at ls, and if you are looking at readable HDFS example.conf, see, I have given the correct name there. because the just now the example that you have seen is not readable. What you need to do is a little bit of extra lines. Extra line is only one particular word. You should write file type as data stream. If you don't write this line, it will assume that your file type is a sequence file. So that line makes the difference. And I'm showing you some additional things also inside this. If you are giving the prefix, you can give as netcat, you can give user Cloudera Flume as the directory name. All these things you can give, and you can give a roll interval. What is going to be a roll interval? If it is reaching that many number of lines, then write into a new file. You know, in logs and all, you will do the rolling, right? Because otherwise it will become huge size. So you want to divide it, right? So all that facilities are being provided there. And if you look now, come out, right? And then exactly the same example. Please run one more time by giving readable HDFS example.conf, readable HDFS example.conf. Start it until it is waiting for the same example, same as usual, and then go to this particular window and then type your telnet localhost and type hi, hello, wonderful, fashion bikes, so on so forth. Okay, type that one. Okay, just to give some time here, because it will get flushed up. Okay, it is not really real time. Okay, it will take a little bit of buffering in between, and then press Ctrl C, and then Hadoop fs -ls /user /cloudera /flume is the directory, just to find out what is created, and after that Hadoop fs -cat, and you are going to get this one, right? So right click, copy, and then paste it, and press enter. Okay. What happened?
It might have created new file.
No, it was taking old value. Okay, right click, copy, and then it is taking the old value. I want this new value, which is ending up 64. Paste. Is it ending up 64? Yes. It must come, and it should be readable now. It is not sequence file, right? So, important thing, when you are writing to HDFS, data stream must be used, otherwise you will not be able to read it. Why it is writing to sequence file? Sequence files, as I told you earlier, that it is a type of format which will take less space. It's binary, so it will try to use the minimum possible way. Okay, if you want just to do this, and then you can practice.
So every time we are running new conf file, we need to open new telnet window, so that like
If you are so